Hey everyone, today I'm comparing Topaz Video AI Hyperion and UniFab HDR Upconverter AI. Topaz is known for premium AI video enhancement, but it comes with a high subscription cost. UniFab claims to deliver similar HDR quality at a much lower price, so I wanted to test that claim myself. I'll walk you through the software installation, the exact conversion process, and then compare HDR quality, speed, and value using real test results. I installed Topaz Video AI from the official Topaz website and UniFab AI directly from unifab.ai. Both tools are available for Windows and Mac OS, and both offer free trials, so you don't need to pay up front. Installation is straightforward. Just run it and follow the on-screen steps. The setup process for both tools takes only a few minutes. After installation, both programs ask you to sign in. For Topaz, you need to create an account to activate the free trial. Trial exports include a watermark. For UniFab, you can start the free trial by signing in with your email. The trial works without any watermark, which is a big advantage. If you need a UniFab license later, it's activated directly through your email account, with no complicated steps. Now let's go through the actual conversion process. Topaz Video AI Hyperion. I imported the SDR video into Topaz Video AI, selected the Hyperion model, and set the output to HDR. Topaz offers detailed controls for tuning HDR parameters, which is great if you like manual adjustments. Once everything was set, I started the export and recorded the processing time. UniFab HDR Upconverter AI. In UniFab, I selected the HDR Upconverter AI module, imported the same SDR video, and chose between high-quality mode and fast mode. The interface is very simple. You don't need to tweak many settings. Just select the mode and start the conversion. Let's look at HDR quality. With Topaz Hyperion, highlights are aggressively boosted, but in some scenes, highlights can look overexposed. Foreground contrast can also feel weaker compared to native HDR. With UniFab HDR Upconverter AI, brightness and contrast are much closer to true HDR. The overall image looks more natural and balanced, with fewer artificial highlights. Side by side, both tools deliver strong HDR results, but UniFab produces a more realistic HDR look. Topaz Video AI costs $299 per year. UniFab All-in-One costs $319.99 for a lifetime license and includes 17+ video and audio tools, including the HDR Upconverter AI. In simple terms, UniFab's lifetime license costs about the same as Topaz's 1-year subscription. But you keep UniFab forever. UniFab also shares discount coupons on Twitter. Open Twitter, search for UniFab, and you'll find their latest promotions. This can help reduce the price even further. To wrap things up, UniFab matches Topaz in HDR quality, offers faster processing in fast mode, and is far more affordable long-term. If you want high-quality SDR to HDR conversion without paying yearly subscription fees, UniFab is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching. Feel free to ask questions in the comments. I respond to all genuine comments, and all the relevant links are in the description.